The history of Texas independence is a compelling narrative and cultural clash, strategic ingenuity, and a commentary on a profound sacrifice. The Alamo, initially a Spanish mission, transformed into a symbol of Texas resolve following a devastating loss. The defeat, alongside of the Goliad massacre, galvanized the Texan spirit, turning despair into a fierce desire for retribution, a psychological shift that proved critical for the revolution's ultimate success. Now, the revolution of Stephen Austin, the leadership of Sam Houston, was instrumental. Now, Austin, initially a very conscious mediator, who was the architect of the Anglo American settlement. Now, they evolved into staunch advocacy for independence after his experience with the Mexican authorities. Now, his diplomatic efforts and foundational work established the colonies provided framework and revolutionary movement needed to be successful. Now, Sam Houston, on the other hand, a military strategist who was exceptionally high caliber, masterfully navigated overwhelming odds through calculated retreats and decisive surprise attacks at the Battle of San Jacinto. Now, his ability to transform a raw, demoralized force into that victorious army, being able to leverage the emotional cry, "Remember the Alamo, remember the Goliad," secured the definitive military triumph. His complementary nature of leadership, paired with Austin's civil and diplomatic groundwork, was paramount to achieving sovereignty. Now, the Texas Centennial half dollar recognizes their contributions. Struck a century later, serves as a tangible legacy to the pivotal moments and figures. In design, even though it's fairly complex, it encapsulates core elements of the revolution: the Alamo, the Lone Star, the likeness of Austin and Houston. And while its vintage figures reveal a very complex and a significant melting off of the coin, it still remains a cherished collectible, reflecting the endurance and the historical significance of Texas's fight for independence. Now, the coin itself is a journey from fundraising to numismatic item that mirrors the historical process and pretense itself. See, it's the initial struggle for recognition, followed by the appreciation and its profound value. It will always serve in our collective place of memory. The Texas Revolution, therefore, stands as a testament to the power of the unified cause, strategic leadership, and the enduring impact of symbolic sacrifice, which helped form a nation. This was the Texas Centennial half dollar. My name is Frostbyte. If you enjoyed this, like, subscribe, and we will see you for more amazing content. See you in the streams.